Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Tiffany & Co. eyeglasses model TF2183 in color code 8001. Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Tiffany & Co. eyeglasses model TF2183 in color code 8001. The color of the frame is black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also cat eye shape. Its temples, the silver, and the temple tips are black. You'll also find the Tiffany & Co. logo engraved on its bottom left lens. On the inner right temple, you'll find the Tiffany & Co. logo, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Tiffany & Co. case, a Tiffany & Co. gift box, Tiffany & Co. cleaning cloth, and a Tiffany & Co. authenticity card, and a Tiffany & Co. booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com, and have a joyful day.